Hello guys! Let us talk about the Xpander's cruise control feature. Itong cruise control, it is designed to make our driving much more effortless. It can help reduce fatigue, lalo na sa mga long distance driving. This cruise control is not present sa ibang main competitors ni Xpander like the Avanza, Veloz, XL7, and Ertiga. You can use this feature if you want to maintain a constant speed while driving, even if you remove your foot from the accelerator. Let me show you how to use this Xpander's cruise control feature. Remember guys, you can only activate this feature if your car runs 40 km per hour and above. To turn it on, you must press the cruise control button first, and immediately, the cruise control light will appear on your information screen. To activate it, you need to press down set minus button. If you want to increase your speed, press up res plus button. Press up. In every one click, your vehicle will go approximately 1.6 km per hour faster. There are two ways to deactivate your cruise control. Either you press the cancel button or you step on your brake pedal. I'll step on my brake and you will know that the cruise control is deactivated because the set word will disappear from your information screen. When you encounter intersections like this, disengage your cruise control immediately. By the way guys, when you want to increase your speed gradually, you can hold the res plus button until you reach your desired speed. And you can hold a set minus button to decrease it gradually. And because we are now at a safer distance from the car in front of us, let me activate the cruise control again. It is now activated. I'll increase my speed by pressing res plus up. Press up. Press up. Press up. I am not stepping on my accelerator anymore at this very moment. Another way to deactivate the cruise control is to press the cancel button. Press cancel and poof! The cruise control is now disengaged. Now to turn off the cruise control, just press the cruise control button again. The cruise control is now off. That's it guys. I hope you learned something from me today. If you think that this video is helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.